The Bluebird. It was Christmas Eve. Poor Till and Me looked at their neighbor's Christmas tree through the window.
Till, I wish we had a nice Christmas tree in our house too. Me too. Why don't we make a Christmas tree when our parents come home?
It was their next-door neighbor. The old woman said,
"Do you raise a bluebird by any chance? My granddaughter is very sick, and I was told that she'll recover once she sees a bluebird." "We have a wild dove, but it's not blue."
The old woman asked,
"Then, could you help me find a bluebird?"
Till and Me said,
"Sure, we'll help you look for it."
She said,
"Wear this hat and turn this diamond to the left. Then you'll be able to see things that are invisible."
Till put on the hat and turned the diamond. The magical hat took Till and Me to the country of remembrance. There they met their grandfather and grandmother who had passed away.
"You two must be Till and Me. I'm so glad to see you. Remember, we are always in your hearts. And here's the blue bird you were looking for."
Till and Me came home with the blue bird. But to their surprise, as soon as they arrived home, the bluebird turned black. Till turned the diamond again, and the two were taken to the country of night, where there were many doors. Till opened the first door, and ghosts suddenly appeared.
Ooh, that's scary.
Till quickly closed the door.
Yeah, that must have been the ghost chamber. That was close.
Till opened the last door. Inside, they saw beautiful flowers in full blossom with many bluebirds flying above them. Till and Me caught the bluebirds and took them back home. But the bluebirds all died. Till turned the diamond again, and they arrived in the country of happiness. There they encountered sweet little angels who said,
"Hi, Till and Me."
Till and Me asked,
"Well, how do they know our names?"
"That's because we are always with you. We are joy and happiness." Till and Me mother showed up in that moment.
"Mom, you are so pretty. What happened?"
Moms who love their children are all beautiful.
"Mom, is there a bluebird here?"
There is no bluebird because everyone is happy in here. But you'll find some in the country of future. Till turned the diamond again, and the two arrived in the country of future, where there were many babies. They were infants who were not yet born into the world. Then the man of time rang the departure bell.
To all the babies about to be born, come this way. We are about to leave.
The alarm went off, and their mother said, "Till, me-till, it's time to wake up." Till and me-till woke up and saw their mom standing next to their bed.
You're our beautiful mom, right? Mom, we've been looking for a bluebird, but we couldn't find any.
Then they heard the sound of a bird.
Till, look! It's a bluebird! Oh, our wild pigeon was blue. Why didn't we notice that? The bluebird of happiness was right under our noses.
Till and me-till brought the blue bird to the old woman next door. The old woman's granddaughter saw the blue bird, and she soon recovered.
Let's release the blue bird.
Till and me-till released the blue bird. The bird flew up to the sky. But Till and me-till knew that it would always be in everyone's heart.